Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or you're just tuning in, my name is Sydney and today I'm super excited to bring you guys another video. Today we have another hair sponsor from Hot Beauty Hair. They sent me over this package, so if you're interested to see what's inside, then just keep watching. Okay y'all, I know my hair looks crusty, so please forgive me, but I wanted to come on and show you guys everything that was in my package. I got a different wig this time, so I'm super excited to show you guys the color because I've been considering dyeing my hair this color and I was like, this is the best alternative to see if I actually like the color before I commit to it. So I'm super excited to show you guys. With everything in the bag, you get some bobby pins, of course. You'll get another edge brush. You guys know when it comes to these, I'm always needing them. You get a elastic band to sew onto your wigs, and you also get some hair clips. You get 2, and you also get a pair of tweezers. So for the start of the show, this is your little package. Open it up and I'm so excited to show you guys the color. Woo! She is so vibrant. Let me take this off so I can show you correctly. This is the wig. It is super cute, super vibrant. I don't know. Yes, you can see that color. Super cute. Now, this is the 99J shade. This is a pixie curl fringe bang wig, 180% density, 10 inches, and this is what it looks like, y'all. Super cute. Inside, I'm going to show you the construction. You have a elastic band that is attached to the wig already. You have 2 combs on the side, 1 at the nape of your neck, and you have 2 adjustable straps on the side. So you guys already know the drill. I'm about to pop this on my head and I'm going to style it with you guys, so can't wait to show you. First, I'm going to just start by cutting this little tag off. And we are going to get this show on the road, y'all. Okay, so let me just tighten the wig. I'm gonna just put the little strap on the side to the tightest one and do the same on both sides before I plop it over on my head. So I'm just gonna flip it over like so. I have my hair in a bun, you know the drill. I'm gonna put this band underneath my bun and secure it at the nape of my neck. Here we go. This is what this looks like, y'all. Now, I'm kind of feeling that. Super cute. Now, I feel like this hair would look really cute all fluffed out. So I have a brush right here. So I'm just gonna fluff this out like so. Give it some volume. And it's giving like Tina Turner right now. So I'm gonna fix it up, jazz it up, and I will come back and show you guys the finished result. As you guys already know, Hot Beauty Hair is 100% human hair, and this hair is so soft. Like, I wish you guys can feel how soft this hair is, but yeah, super cute. I am feeling it. This is perfect for fall time. Like, if you can't commit to like dyeing your hair, or you don't want to damage your hair, bleach your hair, get you a wig because they're just fun to play with. You can get them in all different kinds of colors, length, shapes. So this is a good alternative to all my natural girls out there. And it's also a beginner wig friendly because there's no lace that you have to mill. It's a closure wig, so all you have to do is plop it on your head. But this is straight out the box. Like, y'all saw that. This is straight out of the box. Super cute. I am loving this. Let me fix these bangs and comb it out, and I will show you guys the final result. Okay guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys love this wig just as much as I do. Don't forget to check the description so you can get all the details. The link to this wig will be in there for you guys. Also, don't forget to use my discount code. I will leave it down below for you guys. And let me know what you guys think of this color. I feel like it looks so good on my skin. I feel like it's perfect for fall, and I hope you guys love it just as much as I do. Let me know what you guys think down below, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.